We're really interested in increasing participation in arts and cultural activities in order to increase social connectivity for older people, and particularly older people who are disabled socioeconomically and racially minoritised in society. Older people as a group are often disadvantaged in society, and we're working with them throughout the project to co-design innovative products, services, performances alongside creative industries, creative technologists, artists and others. So the older people themselves are at the centre of that design process, and I think that's the innovation, and that's the thing that we want to find out more about and hopefully offer some guidance to other people.
Today we were running a session that we called Mapping Connections. Can we design or organise cultural experiences, whether that's digital or in person, to bring people together and foster nourishing senses of togetherness?
There is a very strong danger as you get older that you become more reclusive. You only really want to deal with the familiar, and anything that helps older people re-engage in whatever way. I think it improves your health, both mentally and physically, that you're engaged in some sort of creative activity.
Tabletop Travel is one of the 6 prototypes on the Connecting Through Culture as We Age project. I went to visit Jeannie, we were doing creative activities together, and one day she presented this green bag, and inside the green bag was a set of materials to transport her to Italy.
A lot of people who are housebound, what they want to do most is travel, which they can no longer do for reasons of health, cost, whatever. And this is a way of experiencing something different, a different country, as immersively as possible. So music, spices, scent, textures, colours, and of course food. Because I think it's possible to narrow down and have your life get narrower and narrower. This is a way of breaking through that narrowness and exploring new things.
It's a research project, and in order to be able to do a 3-year research project of this scale, we need substantial funding. And so the UKRI Social Behavioural Design project funding has just enabled us to do the project and to do it really well and very ethically as well. We think that we will have national and hopefully international impacts as well from this project, because everyone is looking for alternative ways of doing digital innovation for older people, because it is obvious that what's happening at the moment is not really working.